Hi guys, it's Marci. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on with a quick update on what I've done to my planner. I've had a couple Etsy orders come in and arrive, and then I purchased some die cut stickers in a little pack from from Joann's that I wanted to share with you because these just added so much character and personality to my planner. I just fell in love with them. So first, I just have these in a little clear Ziploc bag, but these came from Joann's, and each image came with two. So what I did was I bought them and I laminated them so that I wouldn't damage them going in and out of my planner front with all the paper clips I'll be using. So this one here is a little lipstick, so cute. This is a little gown. Now this, it did come with a stand, it was, the dress is on a mannequin. However, I cut the stand off and laminated it like so. This one's a little perfume bottle. Anyways, and then I have this set of flowers, this really cute perfume bottle, pair of sunglasses, a larger set of flowers. This says Girl Gang on it, super cute. A little cosmetic carrying case. And then the smaller set of flowers. So anyways, again, each of those came with two. So I went ahead and laminated them all. There were some other images that came in this pack that I didn't care for, so I didn't laminate them, didn't do anything. They're just sitting, in my stash or whatever. So I just keep these stored in the little Ziploc bag, and they've been great. Now I'm gonna show you how I've set up the front cover of my planner, because I'm obsessed with this thing. I freaking love it. But anyways, I really enjoyed doing this. It's lots of fun. But okay, so first off, this Starbucks sticker, it's in a blush pink, and I found this on Etsy and I just love it. Same thing, I ordered it, it came, and I went ahead and laminated it so that I wouldn't damage it going in and out of my paper clips. But then I just tucked these in behind my adorable planner clips, and it just adds a lot of glam to my planner. I love it. So there's that. Then the next thing that I did is I received my top tabs and side tab dividers from Singapore. And again, it took forever, but you guys, well worth the wait. Okay, so these are clear. And if you can see the top, I picked gold glitter, and she lets you customize it all, from the color options to the script on top. She can add little hearts next to it if you want. My front, they all have pockets, and she lets you pick if you want pockets or no pockets. So I got 3 top tabs. So I have my YouTube, and then this one here is notes. So cute. And then my third top tab is groceries. So if I can't tell if you can see that or not. I hope it's not all blurry. So those are my 3 top tabs. And then I got my divider tabs, which are, oh my gosh, I just love them. But I did matching gold glitter. And then mine say, what do they say? Groceries, household, pets, beauty, clothing, commission, gifts, and fun. And those are my tabs that I use. And like I said, I'll link everything below, as I have in my other planners too. But I was just so excited to get these in here because I had handmade my tabs, if you saw my previous videos. So anyways, that is my quick update. I don't know what you guys have planned for the weekend, but today I am going to be redoing my gel nails, which I'll be doing a video on that sometime as well too, because I've been doing my own gel nails for a year and a half now, and it's saved me a ton of money. And I do my mom's now, And anyways, I've just had a lot of fun doing it. So one of these days I'll get that video on too, on everything I use and how to do that. But anyways, so other than that, that's all I have planned. And then I'm just spending the weekend with my family. So I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I will see you next week on my next video. All right, bye.